Hi, maybe you could just start off by introducing us your name and your role within the company.
Hi, my name is Vasile Valcov. I'm Chief Commercial Officer at SaltEdge.
Fantastic. And give us a little bit of an overview of what SaltEdge does as an organization.
SaltEdge is a fintech that provides open banking technologies. So we help banks and financial institutions comply with open banking requirements around the world, the UK, the EU, and now in Saudi. As you probably know, yesterday SAMA, the Central Bank of Saudi Arabia, announced the open banking framework. So banks have a tight deadline now to become compliant and open up APIs so that third-party providers can consume them.
Fantastic. And we're obviously here at Seamless in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. What were your ambitions for coming to this show?
Well, SaltEdge, as I said, as an open banking vendor, follows the open banking movements around the world. So our scope here is to meet the local banks and showcase our technology and success stories from the UK and EU, where we've helped tens of banks become compliant and just remove the pain and the extra cost of maintaining the regulatory solutions. On the other hand, we're also here to see the potential of open banking, and I'm very happy to say that I've had tens of discussions with different companies in Saudi and in the region that see the opportunities that open banking can bring. So how getting access to the customer's information in an automated and secure way can optimize their services, innovate.
So thinking obviously you're very well versed in the UK and other open banking areas. What do you see as some of the main differences between the implementation here in Saudi Arabia?
Well, our experience is not just in the UK. We provide services in 50 countries as we've integrated more than 5,000 banks on our platform. So we support tens of different use cases. For fintechs like BFM solutions, also business apps, ERPs, accounting softwares. To be honest, I don't see big differences from the way companies see implementing open bankings in the EU where the regulation is here. So, but also because the regulator follows the approach that the UK, for example, has implemented. It also seems the regulator is very active, so they want a quick implementation and to learn on the mistakes we've seen in Europe. So remove from the get-go all of the obstacles that we've experienced.
And final question, what do you think is going to be the key open banking sort of trend into the future, say in a year's time?
Well, I think banks will play an active role here in the region because of the initiative and the active role that SAMA played. They've looked at successful stories outside, and I see that they're very keen to be active in open banking. So unlike Europe, where banks have done the compliance thing first and only now start to be more active on activating their TPP roles, here banks want to do that right from the beginning.
Thank you very much for speaking with us as part of Seamless TV, powered by the Fintech Times.
Thank you, Mark.